From our last video, we learned that wealth degradation and entropy are inevitable. So we require a first principles response. We understand now that using only financial strategies merely delays the inevitable. To ensure that family wealth is preserved, we need to control the degradation process itself in such a way that we create a perpetual positive loop, or what I call indestructible wealth. In my model, wealth starts out as kinetic wealth, which is the energy of the family, its health, its well-being, its efforts, its skills, and its network. This kinetic wealth creates opportunity, which we'll just simply call opportunity wealth. Opportunity wealth has different types of qualities. There are some opportunities that are very shallow, there are some opportunities that are very large, there are some that are possible, there are some that are impractical. Our job is to close out and capture the best opportunities. When we capture those opportunities, we turn wealth into tangible wealth. This would involve stocks, real estate, cash, bonds, things we're familiar with. Now, instead of stopping here to employ different asset management strategies, we comply with the law of thermodynamics to change the very nature of some of this tangible wealth. How do we do this? So we move our wealth into a fourth stage, which I call disassociated wealth. Disassociated wealth is where the family takes the time and the expense to go on a retreat. That's what it is, a retreat, to discover and to delve into what is the family mission, what is its long-term vision, and what are its historic values. This helps the family to connect with the earliest roots of its success and to create a uniqueness that will allow it to stand out from other families. Next, we move to soluble wealth, where our wealth is now very, very soluble. It becomes something that we can put into our business, we can put it into our investments, and so on. And how do we do this? We identify and create family processes, family practices, things that are unique to us, and this becomes our value proposition. And this value proposition that makes us completely unique, makes us stand out from other families, are inserted into our businesses and into our investments. In the fifth stage, or what I would actually call the sixth stage, we have reabsorbed wealth. This is where we loop back. This is where we reinvest that special family value proposition into the next generation. We invest it into acquisitions and mergers. We invest it into impactful philanthropy. We invest it in making loans to our family members on such terms as the family may agree. Basically, we loop the wealth back to our people and create the next generation of kinetic wealth.